All right, we're back for more work. Okay, so here at the cottage again, going to get some work done. Have quite a mess here, cleaned this up multiple times, but we're gonna get started. Show you around a little bit. So here we are, this is gonna be the kitchen. Here we're gonna have a 24-inch pantry most likely, and a refrigerator, cabinetry. Over here we will have dishwasher, sink, range, above the range microwave over here. Let's go out to the great room, check out that view. We are going to also add a window there so we can see out. That is going to pretty much be the main hangout area on the side, and of course the front by the water. Like this with the lower ceilings. I've already cut out some of those, and we're raising them up. So a much nicer view there. Bathroom. We walk in. To be framed yet. Walk in, door will swing this way. We'll have a vanity here, toilet there, shower there. Full tub actually. Back here, bedroom. This is going to be the bunk room. That window there is going to go away. We'll have a bunk with a twin on the top. We'll have a full on the bottom with a pull out underneath that. And the other bedroom. Should have a queen bed. Both these are remaining. And yeah, so that's the gist of it. All right, so at $7 a 2x4, cleaning up these and repurposing them. $14 saved right there. $28. Got my 7s down, Gary V. All right, time to take a break. Maybe get a little exercise, cut a little wood. Took a couple trees down. Time to clean up the lot. You know what makes this a little easier? I'll be right back. Look at that. A little bar oil. Make sure she's all lubed up. See how much of a mess I can make or not. Oh, look at that. Almost looking like I've done that before as I rock the camera. Finish off that one. Gotta love the True Fuel. Lasts all winter. Clean and easy. Good. Decent chain tension. All right. All right. Gotta remember eye protection, ear protection. Let's get it rolling. I'm out of shape. Not used to that. Cleaned up some of this. Stacked a little wood here. Let's go a little wider. Cleaned up some of that. Stacked the wood. But let's look over here. This tree has been in rough shape. And woodpeckers, I think, really enjoying getting after some of them. Tasty treats in there. So anyway, let's come take a look and enjoy the view.